So, hey beauties, how is everybody doing? Thanks for joining me and welcome back. And also, if you are new here and you came across my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy what you see of what I'm sharing with you guys. Mostly do beauty products and beauty items. So, if that's something that you're interested in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button that's down below, and as well as that bell that's right next to it. The bell will notify you of when my new videos are uploaded and ready to watch. And so that way we can keep connected. All right, today is a launch day for the company City Beauty. Most of you guys know I do share a lot of City Beauty products. They do send me the items for free to try out, test out, and give you my opinions, my thoughts, and my experience with what they send me. And I am also affiliated with them now. And if you use my affiliate link, I appreciate that so much. If you don't, that's fine. You can just go ahead and go to citybeauty.com. But I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, if you did decide to go ahead and purchase anything, you can use my affiliate code. You will get 10% off your merchandise. Yeah, they're having their new launch of the mascara, and it's the Beyond Mascara. Right here it is. So if you guys are interested in hearing a little bit more about this product, keep on watching. Okay, so when they contacted me and told me that they were going to be doing a mascara launch, I was really super excited because honestly, I have a few mascaras that I really do like a lot, that I feel give me what I want. And mascara, it can be, it is that product that is a little more personal for some people because everybody's looking, for something different for the mascara to do. Some like a certain kind of formula, certain kind of wand, maybe some like the plastic, maybe some like just the basic original, wand that you can get with the bristles. Everybody's looking for something different in the mascara. And for me, I really do look a lot for the volume aspect for a mascara. I do have their lash serum. And Ryan's the one who had sent me the product and who I communicate with. And he said that that the serum is actually a good combo for the two, like to have them together. And the lash serum has actually made a difference in my lashes. It really has. I do use this like within twice a day, unless like today I put on makeup. I don't normally put it on days that I'm going to be wearing makeup. That's just, I mean, like it's not really going to hurt. You could probably let it dry and then just apply your mascara later on. It's just preference, really. It's not like you shouldn't do it. It's just a preference. I'm going to read you a little bit about this mascara and what it can do for you. Beyond Mascara Volumizing Treatment. This buildable ultra pigmented formula instantly adds visible length, volume, and definition to your lashes, while active ingredients help strengthen and condition for naturally thicker, long-looking lashes over time. So Beyond Mascara coats lashes in rich black pigment for visible length, thickness, and fullness, adding instant impact and dimension in your eyes. The hourglass-shaped brush grasps each lash from every angle for a fanned-out, wide-eyed appearance. Additionally, active ingredients work to support and hydrate lashes, resulting in a longer, denser, and thicker look over time. So what I can tell you about this mascara in itself is I feel the formula is a more drier formula. So right off the bat, I don't know if you're somebody that likes the drier formula. I got used to both. I do like a little more of a wet formula. I am that person that doesn't mind the wet formula. But I have come to appreciate the dry formula too, because being as it is more of a dry formula, I don't get so much of the smearing and smudging. Like, it's just not as easy for it to do, basically. And here is the wand. It is not a plastic wand, which also I like the stopper that they have in here. Is that what it's called? That's inside there. I like that because it feels real tight in mine. Like it's a real nice tight. So here you see right here, it does do like an hourglass, like it does like a spiral effect. Can you see that spiral effect that it's doing there? So I feel you can hold the wand on the one side from here. Sorry, it's going in and out. And you can do the lengthen part and then flip it and work more and fan it out. That's what I've been finding with this wand in particular. And I have had ones like that before, and that's what I find with these kind of spirally hourglass shaped wands like that. And so I have really liked that. I have a video that you'll see where I only have, because I have it on now, I thought about it afterwards when I was putting my makeup on. I never did put a second coat on my lashes. I just only do have one coat on still at this point right now. But I do usually wear 2 coats of mascara. No matter what mascara it is, I always put 2 coats on. But I only have one on right now. And I thought about that afterwards, but I'm just going to leave it as is. That's fine now. Let me go ahead and add that second coat for you guys right now. And maybe we could see how well, because it builds up really nice. But see, my mascara is dry now, but it feels like you can go ahead and do the extra coat. Good. Because you know, some mascaras, do you ever notice you can't always add the second coat because it dries up too much. So even though this is a dry formula, I could still add that little bit more. Now I was adding that little bit more. I only do it at the ends though, really. So if you're somebody that does it the other way, I don't do that too much. I do have a video. I had a little brain fart there. Couldn't remember what I was doing. I do have a little video showing you when I put my mascara on and what it looks like with just the one coat. 2 separate videos that you'll see here. And the first one, I'm telling you guys, like, I just only added 1 coat to the one eye, and you've seen the difference. And then later I come back on and apply the 1 coat to the other side of my eye. I thought the best way for you guys to see how well it did for me is I didn't put no eyeliner on. So you'll see that without any makeup or eyeliner. I have nothing on. So let's go ahead and show that clip right now. Okay, I don't have any other makeup on right now. I wanted to show you without the eyeliner, you know, because like a lot of times we tight line, you know, do the tight line and all that. And I wanted to show you without makeup, like I have no foundation, nothing on right now. Normally I do my eyes anyway first. So, but this is what my eyelashes look like with just 1 coat. And I only did it on the one side. I'm going to share with you guys me putting on the other coat here in a minute. But yeah, this is what it looks like with 1 coat. Now, I think it's the combination of using maybe their serum and the mascara, but mascara is supposed to have some beneficial ingredients to help lash growth and, you know, have them in pretty good condition. But this is just 1 coat of the mascara. So, pretty good. Okay, so I thought I would go ahead and show you me putting on 1 coat so you can actually see, because me just saying, hey, this is 1 coat. I want you guys to see me applying the 1 coat. I might zip it like a little quicker, if anything, if I have to. So now I'm going to go ahead and share with you what else it has on here. It has the solution for this with this mascara is the thin sparse eyelashes, fair to hard to see eyelashes, eyelash fallout, and short brittle eyelashes, which I was starting to notice my eyelashes, well, they do fall out, and I guess we all experience that. And mine were looking short. Mine were looking pretty bad for a while there, like before when I was using the serum. So the key benefits, it creates the look of the longer, thicker, fuller lashes, resists flaking for long-lasting wear. I did not notice any flaking for myself or anything. You know, I have had those mascaras where they flake or have fallen down below on your cheeks and everything. I didn't experience any of that neither. Adds definition with super rich pigment, supports and conditions the lashes to help them appear thicker over time. So that we shall see, because I was sent this probably prior. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, I did share it on my Instagram of when I got it. So that was probably about a couple weeks or so ago. Okay, so the key ingredients. It has B volume, promotes thicker looking lashes for supporting their structure, producing a volumizing effect. It also helps protect lashes by creating an antioxidant film around each strand. As B volume diffuses into your lashes, they absorb more moisture, resulting in better hydration and 70% volume increase. Panthenol promotes visible thickness by delivering a boost of nourishing vitamins to the lash strands and roots. It also helps protect lashes by coating and sealing the follicles to lock in the moisture, resulting in softer, stronger lashes. Biotin, it supports healthy, voluminous lashes by the body absorbed essential nutrients, fats, amino acids, and carbohydrates. It's also known as vitamin H. Biotin conditions eyelashes to help reduce visible lash fallout. As a result, eyelashes appear thicker, denser over time. Hyaluronic acid, it delivers rich hydration to support lash flexibility. Flexible lashes resist brittleness and breakage, giving you a softer, healthier look and feel. Keratin, it helps strengthen the lashes, making them less prone to breakage. It works by coating the lashes in a protective barrier to help shield them from damage. As a result, the lashes appear healthier and more volumized. Yeah, overall, like, you know, I really like the mascara. I really do. I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me and like I feel like I have to say it or anything like that. I really have enjoyed so far of what City Beauty has sent me in products. But this is a really nice mascara. The price is $35 for the mascara. I know some probably might think, ooh, that's pretty steep, because that is like in the range of, you know, when you're talking mascara, you know, the higher brand names out there, and I get that, you know, $35. You can use my 10% discount, but really the thing with this mascara is it does have the special ingredients. Now, you don't have to get the lash serum if you don't want to. I mean, the two together are supposed to be really good, like a little, pretty good little extra, that couple, you know. But you don't have to. You don't have to go ahead and get the lash serum if you don't want to. You can just get the mascara. And like I said, the difference with this, with other mascaras, is the special ingredients to help your lashes grow over time. And I don't know, it sounds all good. And as we're aging, like, you know, we're trying to help take care of our skin. We're trying to do all these different things. And yeah, why not take care of your lashes too? I know as I've gotten older and when I noticed my lashes were starting to look a little, you know, flimsy and just not so good, I could wear mascara still, and I am blessed with not too bad of eyelashes. And when I would apply mascara on, they would still look pretty good. But I was noticing it, you know, when I was not on camera with you guys and not wearing my makeup and, you know, looking in the mirror and everything. And now I see a difference to my eyelashes compared to what they used to look like. So if this is going to give me that little extra step from using my serum, yeah. Yes, I also wanted to let you know in between here, before I go ahead and close out, that I will be having my video coming up on Wednesday for my fails of 2019. If you wanted to see my fails that were of 2019, I will have that up on Wednesday, so come and join me then. But thanks so much, guys, for joining me. I really appreciate that. So if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would help me out so much, and I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, if you liked the video and thought it was very informative, let me know. I'm trying to really improve on here on my channel as I go. And yeah, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. You can go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, as well as that bell. And like I said, the bell will notify you of when my new videos are uploaded and ready to watch. And as always, beauties, please remember to Be yourself, love yourself, and let the real beauty shine through. So until the next time, you take care. I will see you then. I love you guys. Bye.